3, 2, 1.
This is a connector. It is small but very strong. Such a small connector can withstand several thousand kilograms of tension. Since this is a connector, how does it work? First, we want it to be separated. We operate with one-hand demonstration. Again, as we are also one-handed operation, to make them binding. Alright. After combining, if you feel not enough insurance, we can turn here and lock it. After locked, we can make sure it is locked. We feel relatively safe. This connector and the connector in general, what is different? Of course, a strong endurance and compact size is a must-have. In addition, we come to the actual test, not a pull test. We pulled it tight. Now simulate the force is probably hundreds of kilograms. Alright. In this situation, the general connector is separated. That is broken. This connector is different. We've just been on the lock, so it is impossible to separate. Even if we open the lock, it is not separate. Unless we put this switch gently pull this direction. They separated. Now, we combine them. Put it on the jig. We will find, because before the test fixture displacement has occurred, so that the connector cannot be placed in situ. The above is an exemplary operation. A powerful and mode can be easily and quickly separate connector.